let's pretend that you have a request from your IT department to remove the users from a given group because they left the company. There are two ways that you can achieve that. In order to do that, you can first edit the etc group file. You can search for your markets group, and from here you can remove the user in question from the line. You save that, and if you do a lead -g on markets, you will see that now only Jake is part of. So that's one option. The second option is to use jpasswd with the -d argument for delete, and you specify the user that you want to remove and the group that you want to remove it from, and you hit enter. It will tell you that removing user Jake from group markets. If you do a lead -g again, you don't have any result, but that doesn't mean that the group does not exist anymore. It actually still exists. It's just that you don't have users that are members of, and that's why you did not have a result. If you cut on etc group for markets, you'll see that the group is still present, but it does not have any users anymore. And this is one way that you can remove users from it as well.